Theker just announced an $85 million funding round, grabbing headlines across the tech world. With a sleek logo flash and the robot's arm moving in sync, we ask, can a single machine truly replace an entire arsenal of specialized factory bots? The answer could reshape manufacturing and could redefine how factories operate. Theker's robot isn't just another arm, it's built around a unified AI core that fuses vision, force feedback, and motion planning in real time. Swappable end effectors let it weld, assemble, and inspect without reprogramming. This general-purpose design aims to cut setup downtime and let one unit handle tasks that once required dedicated machines. So, can one robot really replace an entire lineup? Early pilots show a 30% reduction in per-part cost and the ability to switch tasks in under 2 minutes, something that used to take hours. If Theker delivers, manufacturers could shrink their robot fleets by up to 70%, turning a capital-intensive lineup into a single, adaptable workhorse. Theker was founded in 2021 by Maya Rodriguez, formerly a lead manipulator engineer at Boston Dynamics, and Daniel Kim, who spent 5 years scaling perception systems at Tesla's autopilot team. Their combined expertise in hardware robustness and AI-driven control gave investors confidence that a truly adaptable factory robot could be built from the ground up. After a $5 million seed round led by NFX in early 2022, Theker secured a $20 million Series A from Sequoia Capital and Andreessen Horowitz mid-2023, using the funds to develop its first prototype and file key patents. Today's $85 million Series B, co-led by Lightspeed and Tiger Global, values the company at $420 million and will fund pilot deployments across 3 automotive plants. Traditional robotics incumbents like Fanuc and ABB typically raise capital slowly, focusing on incremental upgrades to specialized arms, while venture capital is increasingly betting on software-first, general-purpose automation. Theker's approach, combining a unified AI core with hot-swappable tooling, mirrors the VC preference for platform plays that can disrupt multiple industries with a single technology stack. Theker's robot is advertised as non-specialized, but what does that actually mean? Think of a Swiss Army knife, one handle, many blades, ready for whatever job appears. Unlike a dedicated screwdriver or saw, the robot's AI core and modular tooling let it shift functions on the fly, turning a single machine into a versatile factory workhorse. In today's plants, each robot is a single-purpose expert. A pick-and-place arm moves parts with lightning speed but can't weld a seam. A welding torch excels at joining metal yet is blind to tiny defects. A vision-guided inspection station spots flaws but lacks the strength to lift anything. This specialization delivers high performance, but only for one narrow task. Theker's prototype swaps end effectors in seconds, letting the same arm pick a component, weld a joint, then scan for cracks, all without reprogramming. Its perception fuses force feedback and visual data, while the motion planner adapts trajectories on the fly. The result is a robot that behaves like 3 specialists in one, ready for any sequence the line demands. By eliminating dedicated cells, manufacturers can reduce floor space by up to 40% and cut changeover time from hours to minutes. Theker estimates a 30% lower total cost of ownership when a single general-purpose robot replaces 3 specialized units, while maintaining comparable cycle times. This flexibility also lets factories respond faster to product mix changes, a key advantage in high-mix, low-volume production. Theker's robot starts with a lightweight carbon fiber arm that minimizes inertia, letting it accelerate and stop quickly. At the wrist, a standardized mechanical flange accepts any end effector in under 10 seconds, whether a gripper, a welding torch, or a vision module. This hot swap design eliminates the need for dedicated tooling stations and keeps the arm ready for the next job. Inside the controller runs a real-time AI planner that fuses data from force torque sensors, stereo cameras, and inertial units into a unified world model. The planner generates collision-free trajectories optimized for speed and energy, while a reinforcement learning policy continuously refines motions based on outcome feedback. This tight sensor fusion loop lets the robot react to unexpected obstacles or part variations without missing a beat. Teaching the robot a new task can be as simple as guiding the arm through the desired motion once, a kinesthetic demonstration that the AI records and converts into a skill policy. With only a few repetitions, the system adapts the policy to handle slight part pose changes or different tooling. In practice, operators report switching from picking a bracket to welding a seam in under 2 minutes, keeping the line humming. The payoff shows up on the factory floor. Hot swap tooling cuts changeover time from hours to minutes, delivering an estimated 80% reduction in downtime per product switch. Overall equipment effectiveness climbs by roughly 15% as the robot spends more time adding value and less time idle. Meanwhile, the AI continuously monitors wear and predicts maintenance needs, preventing unplanned stops before they happen. Manufacturers constantly chase lower unit costs, and Theker's jack-of-all-trades robot promises a direct hit. By replacing 3 specialized bots with 1 adaptable arm, factories can slash capital expenditures by up to 60% and reduce changeover-related waste. Early pilots show a 30% drop in per-part cost, turning a high-mix line into a lean, cost-effective operation. The robot's versatility reshapes the workforce. Instead of losing jobs, operators move from monotony to higher-value tasks like programming, maintenance, and process optimization. Companies report a 20% increase in demand for robot-skilled technicians, while repetitive strain injuries drop as the arm handles heavy lifting. The net effect is a shift toward safer, more skilled roles. Adoption isn't plug-and-play. Integrating a general-purpose robot requires rethinking cell layout, updating safety standards, and proving ROI to conservative plant managers. Concerns about software reliability, cybersecurity, and the learning curve for new tooling slow uptake. Overcoming these hurdles means clear benchmarks, robust support, and phased rollouts that build confidence. Looking ahead, Theker plans to expand its AI catalog with more pre-trained skills and open-source tooling libraries, aiming for a plug-and-play ecosystem. If the vision holds, factories could see a new era of flexible automation. So, would you trust a jack-of-all-trades robot on your line? Drop a comment below, and hit subscribe for more deep dives on robotics.